Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi, everyone. This is Stephanie with Michigan Condo Voices. This week, I'll be sharing a three-part series focused on HOA reserve records, including what reserve balances may reveal over time, how to review reserve records without feeling overwhelmed, and a personal perspective on what reviewing reserve records taught me. Many co-owners hear the word reserves, but may not fully understand what reserve balances can reveal over time. Reserve accounts are generally intended to help associations prepare for larger future repairs and replacement projects. That can include roofing, paving, siding, structural components, mechanical systems, and other long-term infrastructure expenses, depending on the community. But one of the most important things to understand is this: reserve balances are often more than just numbers. They can reflect long term planning patterns over time. A single balance snapshot rarely tells the full story. For example, are reserve contributions increasing or decreasing? Are reserve balances remaining stable over time? Are transfers occurring between operating and reserve accounts? Are large projects being funded directly from reserves? And are special assessments occurring alongside reserve activity? These are the kinds of patterns that co-owners may wish to observe when reviewing financial records over multiple years. It's also important to understand that reserve balances can fluctuate for legitimate reasons. Major repairs, insurance related events, emergency projects, inflation, and increased vendor costs can all impact reserve activity. That's why context matters. Reviewing reserve information is often less about reacting to a single number and more about understanding trends, planning, and long term financial strategy within a community. And for many co-owners, simply learning how to identify these patterns is an important first step toward becoming more informed and engaged. In the next video, we'll discuss how to review HOA reserve records without feeling overwhelmed, especially for co-owners who are new to reviewing financial information over time. You are always welcome here. Take care, everyone, and thanks for listening.